Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Mashu Vlogs. So today we are going to Ajman, which is another emirate in United Arab Emirates, and we are going to this mall called China Mall, जहाँ मैंने बहुत सुना है लोगों से इसके बारे में, and they say that they have amazing cool and a very cheap stuff, and I feel that not a lot of people likes to buy expensive stuff for their household chores, so I think they have a lot of variety and a lot of options. So let's go and show you all what they have in the mall. So we are still in Sharjah, guys, and this is the highway which connects Sharjah and Ajman, and you can see it on the board. Going to Ajman and Al Hamriya as well it goes. So we basically live just like 15-20 minutes away from this city, and as you can see we have already reached Ajman and we're just like 10 minutes away from the destination. So as you can see, we have finally reached. There are a lot of people are here, and parking looks pretty full. First, guys, you have to wear your mask whenever you go into the public areas. Let's go. So we are entering China Mall. So guys, as you can see, it's really hot, and if you're planning to come to UAE, please make sure that you wear a lot of sunscreen, because I think it's really required. So it's actually a major retail complex in Al Jorf. People can find really great deals on Chinese commodities such as sports, jewelry, textiles, household items, building material. So if you're planning to set up a patio in your balcony, this is a shop. You can buy fake grass here and a lot of more stuff. And this is also similar to the Bangkok market. You can find almost everything under one roof. I was searching for this this color. If you're good in negotiating, this place has almost all you need in very good price. Home decor, furnishings, tools, pots, pans, you name it, and it's there. So guys, अगर आपको कोई भी मोबाइल की एक्सेसरी भी चाहिए हो, जैसे फ़ोन कवर हो गया या मैग्नेटिक स्टैंड हो गया, तो आप यहाँ पर आ सकते हैं. दे हैव ऑल दीज काइंड ऑफ स्टफ एंड नॉट एक्सपेंसिव एट ऑल. Like the cover that I bought, which was only for like 10 dirhams, so you can buy any color. So guys, I've definitely noticed one thing. जो सारी चीज़ें आपको यहाँ चाइना मॉल में मिल रही हैं, वो अगर आप किसी ब्रांड में जाके खरीदोगे, it will be on 10 times bigger prices. Seriously, so if you are looking for cheap stuff for your daily chores brands mask, or mobile phone cover or AirPod cover or anything, like even for your household things, you can definitely come and visit China Mall. It's worth a visit. So let's go home and I'll show you guys जो चीज़ें मैंने खरीदी हैं वो एक्चुअली यूज़ हो रही हैं या नहीं हो रही. So let's go. और आशीष यहाँ पर क्या खाते हुए? बुढ़िया के बाद. Okay, so we bought these masks first of all because we had only one pair. So this one is for me and this one is for Ashish. And I bought this cover which I already showed you. And this is the color actually I was looking for from so long. And we also bought this cover for my AirPods, and it's in this beautiful cover, turquoise and yellow. Let me show you how it looks. So we have to attach it like this, the top thing, and put it inside here. So cute! Nice. This is nice. And then I bought this very important thing. This is a magnet which you can attach anywhere, and then attach your phone with this. So it has like this double tape. So you basically have to attach this magnet or stick it wherever you like, and then put your phone like this, and it will get attached. So guys, if you like my video, please share and subscribe, and please go and visit China Mall if you like. See you in my next vlog. Bye.